HSBC Travel One credit card just changed the game because of the launch of its reward marketplace, which has been launched by HSBC for 5 of its credit cards, including HSBC Privy, HSBC Premier, HSBC Travel One, HSBC Visa Platinum, and Rupee Platinum. So these cards, this video is not about these cards. Video is about a single card, that is the Travel One. But if you are interested in watching the full marketplace video, you can just go to my other channel where I've just uploaded a video about all these cards, the marketplace, how everyone fares, what are the reward rates, ratios, and everything else. So Travel One card is basically a direct competitor to the Atlas card because of the annual fees, which is 5,000 rupees plus GST. However, there are a few differences. So the first difference will be this card has a fee waiver. So if you spend 8 lakh rupees, you get a fee waiver on this card. This doesn't have a tiered architecture like Atlas, so it's a very simple architecture, but the base reward rates are less as compared to Axis Atlas. So when you go and apply, if you are on this screen using the link which I put in the description, you can get these following benefits as you can see over here. So 1,000 rupees cashback when you spend 10,000 rupees in the first 30 days. A postcard hotel voucher worth rupees 3,000, a 3-month Easy Diners Prime membership, plus a bonus 3,000 bonus reward points when you spend 1 lakh rupees in the first 90 days. So these 3 bonus reward points will convert it. It can be converted to Accor for the best possible returns. So you can get 3,000 Accor points, which will be worth 6,000 rupees as of now, and that in itself will cover all the extra, like the 5,900 rupees which you gave for this card. So that justifies the first year's eventual fees which we just discussed about. Plus you get 1,000 rupees cashback and 3,000 rupees postcard voucher, which you can use, cannot use, it totally depends on you. The next point is the accelerated reward points which we get with flights, travel aggregators, and in foreign currency if we do a spend. So for every 100 rupees we get 4 reward points with this card. But the problem with this is that on Atlas, even if you are doing a base reward, base transaction which is not excluded, we get a ratio of 1:2. So we get 4 miles per 100 rupees. So it is actually equal to the 4 reward points which you get on this card on flights, travel aggregators. And on everything else, Atlas gives you again 4 edge miles. However, on this you get 2 reward points. So basically you get 50% less reward points on this card as compared to Atlas. But the game has now changed because this PDF document, if you have seen, as you can see over here, after the launch of the accelerated reward portals, the Travel One card now is a better card in terms of when you book a flight using the HSBC's portal or a hotel using the HSBC portal, which is right here. So right now on hotels on Atlas, the maximum you can get is 5x reward points, 5x edge miles, that is 5 edge miles equal to 10 reward points or edge miles of any airlines. Here you get 24 edge miles per 100, like 24 not edge miles, reward points per 100 over here. And to maximize it, you can transfer it into Accor, which will give you 48 rupees of return per 100 rupees as of now. So that is the interesting part about this card right now. So around 14 air miles more, and if we convert into Accor, that like on Atlas you can only get 20 rupees worth of Accor points. Here you can get the total worth goes up to 48 rupees. So 28 rupees more per 100 you are getting on this card on hotels. However, if we talk about on flights, whether we do it through like on Atlas, we need to do it through the direct portal. Here you get through the Travel One portal, you get 4x reward points. So you get 16 reward points per 100. And that 16s mean, like if you convert into Accor, you get 32. So that is 12 more Accor Accor point worth as compared to the Atlas, which can fetch you a maximum of 20 Accor point worth of amount. So 12 is again higher than on this card as compared to then the other card. Plus, on this card, the maximum accelerated reward, the base, like the 4x accelerated reward on the international spends and everything, that is limited to a maximum of 2000 reward points. So basically, you cannot like every month the maximum amount of reward points you can get is somewhere around, if you spend 50,000 rupees, you can get 2000 reward points for the 4x rewards. But with this, the capping is actually higher. It's 18,000 per calendar month. So the base rewards remain change, and I just calculated in that video as well. So for 18,000 points, for if you are spending on hotel, you need to spend 90,000 rupees on hotels per month to get the 18,000 reward points, and you need to spend 1.5 lakh for the on flights. So somewhere around 90,000 to 1.5 lakh if you mix hotel and flights. The other thing on this is like there is no gifter section or gift voucher section as of now. No shopping is also there. However, this card does offer a few more benefits as compared to your other cards. So let's first see what the transfer partners are, so that we have a very decent amount of idea of what we are talking about. So these are the airline partners. As you can see, Air India, Air Asia, Air France, KLM, British, Etihad, EVA, Hainan, Japan, Singapore, Qantas, Qatar, Thai, Turkish, United, Vietnam. And on hotel side, you have Accor, IGH, Marriott, Shangri-La, and Vindan. So when compared on the transfer partners for your airline miles, so there the maximum air miles you can get on Atlas is 10 per 100 rupees, because you get 5x reward points on direct hotels for airlines and hotels. Here you on hotels and flight, you are getting 24 and 16 respectively on hotel and flight. So that is where the good thing about like this card is. Now this card definitely has its limitation, because this card is only launched in a few cities like Delhi NCR, Chennai, Pune, Noida, Hyderabad, Mumbai, Bangalore, Kochi, Coimbatore, Jaipur, Chandigarh, Ahmedabad, or Kolkata. So it is a good alternative options for booking your flight and hotels if you are in an alternate like these places and you are not able to get Atlas as of now. But the thing is, this card will give you a bit more as compared to Atlas, because you can get 15% domestic and international holiday booking on Yatra, which you should not use because you are getting better benefits on your the portal which they just launched. 20% and select duty-free stores, which is a good thing. When you are booking through Stay Vista, you can save. You can get a MasterCard World benefit such as complimentary golf. You get a 20,000 purchase protection. You get 6 local and 4 international lounge visit per year. You get discounts on movies, events, and dining on Zomato app. 15% use on Yatra, 15% on Ease My Trip, 15% of Paytm flight, 15% on Clear Trips, 11% on Stay Vista. So these all you should not use now after the launch of the accelerated reward portal, because on flights it is matching around the 16%. But again, if you are planning it to use for Accor, then it gets out of the park. But you get 20% off on Adani One. You get golf course access district app. You get to buy one get one twice a month. Then 10% on your eating ticket. So on that sense, if you are in a position where you can shift some of your travel like hotel and dining spends to this card, it will make sense. But if you have a card like Infinia, the high-end cards which can give you 33% return back on hotels, 16% on flights, so this card will not make sense. So I myself, being at the center of this thing, if I want to apply for this card, my mind is saying yes, like my heart is saying yes, we should apply. But my mind is saying no. I even called up the customer care, asked them about the upgrade options, and they said, sir, your Visa Platinum card can be upgraded to this card with all the offers and vouchers. But the point is ki whatever returns I'm getting over here, I can get similar returns on my Diners Black Metal card and my Atlas card. And this card doesn't stand out on both the fronts. So only if like I spend my 7.5 lakhs and now I have to spend around 2 lakhs on flights and tickets, this card will make sense. I'll not be able to hit the monthly 18,000 miles under any circumstances using this card, because I'm not talking about manufactured spends under any circumstances, plus the list of exclusions is very high, so that will not make a lot of sense. So guys, in any case, this card will make sense for you if you don't have Access Atlas card, and you should definitely consider getting this card if you don't have any other high-end card such as Dynasty Black Metal, Infinia, and Emerald Private Metal, the Times Black card. If you don't have those cards, then this card for flight and hotel booking will make sense, even better than Atlas. So if you have those cards, you can skip this. If you don't have those cards, then you can consider this and Atlas together, because this doesn't have a milestone criteria. In that sense, this will not force you to spend a lot, but again, 8 lakh is the spend waiver, so we have to see what the renewal benefits are whenever the renewal thing comes next year. So I hope you guys like this video. This is a new channel. I'll really appreciate if you do subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell, because we are going to bring a lot of fire on these channel. And if you have not subscribed to my Professor Cardz Hindi channel, you should, because the membership only videos are live there. You can go and get a collection of videos which will give you a clear picture of how to start with credit cards, how to get the best benefits from the start only. And it's only 199 rupees, so that is not going to burn a hole in your pocket. Plus, like the important videos are credit card to bank account in case of emergencies, how to book your rooms for friends and family using Marriott points, how to use the Amex vouchers which you get for 10,000 rupees, or the redemption ones for discounted bookings. Especially the credit card bill payment of cards videos are not working, like this one, and this was not working. However, the others are working, and you can even use the card like video which is there for using your UPI from the Amex card, Platinum Travel card, to hit its milestone. So very important videos over there. You can definitely consider being a member. It will give you access to the WhatsApp group as well. And it is going to give you a 15 minutes chat with me on WhatsApp if you are interested, or if you have any doubt. So that is there. And on Twitter, we have 9,100 plus followers, 9,164 to be exact. If you have not followed me over there, you may be missing some important notifications in the future. So thanks a lot for guys. I hope you have subscribed to this channel. We'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye. See you, and Jai Hind.